so.
Yeah, about an hour.
Central Florida. So pretty cool place. We got wet. Water is 68 degrees.
All year round?
All year round. It got really crowded today. During the day it gets crowded because people come into the park. I think they only allow so many people in the park each day. Campers have free run of it until I think 7 o'clock at night when it gets dark. Probably because that's when the gators come out.
Or the bears.
We didn't see any gators. We didn't see any bears, even though there's a bear sighting, Charlie said. He was on the alert and the prowl looking. We ate dinner outside last night and he was looking around all over the place for a bear, but he didn't see one, did you, buddy?
Not at all.
Not at all.
There's been bear sightings out here at, we don't know at what time, and there's been alligator sightings.
There's no alligator sightings.
Yes, there has.
Who said there were alligators?
In the video, there was like a whole sign.
Oh, none today.
None today.
Just
Just bear sightings.
There was bear sightings today.
He
Yeah.
was scared to eat outside.
So you didn't want to eat dinner outside, did you?
No.
Wakey, wakey. Saw deer. Saw deer. I slept down there. Charlie slept everywhere. Amy?
How long would it cost?
And red. And finally almost fully hidden black. You. And then... Oh, that looks good.
There's 2 deer over here. Came all the way down to the river, eating. Not even scared of us. Pretty cool. We just got back from swimming. We had fun. And now we're cooking some, what is it called? Wahlburgers. So we actually got the propane working this time. So cooking 4 burgers. And got the hot boiling water for the first time. Like Charlie's favorite. Charlie's favorite, mac and cheese. Supposedly there is a bear sighting earlier at the camp, so we haven't seen any so far. There you go. Charlie's chilling out on the couch. Check him out. Can you see him? As you can see, the van's not big enough for 3 people. So Charlie's got to sleep outside tonight. Hello. So the funnest part about camping is putting stuff away. Not really the funnest part, but and neat and organized for the moment until we get to the next campsite. Something I'm going to show you next time in our gear review. This baby right here is awesome. It powers all our stuff. Mobile, very small, contained unit. Nobody ever shows the fun stuff about camping. Look.